children, welcome to the new online session of Food for Us Part 2. In Part 1, what we have learned? We have learned about the uses of food and the different kind of food. What are the different kind of foods? These are protein, bodybuilding food, next energy giving food and the protective food. Okay, next we have learnt about the food which we can eat raw and the what food should be cooked. Next, we have also learned about the balanced diet and uh, some important healthy eating habits. Okay, now in this part 2 we will go through the reading part. Okay, we will read. Now I want you to go through the lesson along with me and your finger should follow where I am reading. After completing the lesson, you read it for 2 times. Now go to your page number 167 in your Pearl Sem 1 textbook. What is the name of the lesson? Food for Us. Okay. Now I am yellow, I am sweet, I am what the monkeys like to eat. I told this in your previous session also. What is this? This is a banana. Okay. I am juicy. I am sweet. People like me to escape the summer heat. What is this? This is watermelon. Okay. Now going to the next. Have, FOOD food, WHEN when, VARER hung, HUN hung, GRY gree hungry. Okay. Food, MAKES makes us, GROW grow. Food makes us, STRONG strong. Okay, and healthy, HEALTHY healthy. Food, GIVES gives us energy, ENERGY energy. To WORK work and PLAY play. Food, HELPS helps us to FIGHT fight, DISEASES diseases. Okay, again repeat with me. DIDCSESES diseases. KINDS kinds of food. DIFF diff, rent different kinds of food. Help, help us in different ways. BODY body. Build, build, ing building. Okay, body building food. MILK milk, EGGS eggs, FISH fish, MEAT meat, and PULSES pulses. HELP help, us, to GROW grow. THEY they, MAKE make our bones and muscles, STRONG strong. Bones and muscles, I am not telling you the how to spell it because we went in our lesson 1, which is, what is the name of that lesson? Our wonderful body. Next, ENERGY energy, GIVING giving, energy giving food. Okay, SUGAR sugar, sugar, butter, butter. Okay, RICE rice, and jaggery, jaggery give us energy, ENERGY energy. You use THIS, this energy, to WORK, work, and PLAY, play. What are these? This gives us energy. These give us energy. Okay. Next, PRO, protect. TECT, protective, IVE, protective food. Okay. Combining protective food. FRUITS, fruits, and VEGE, veggie, TABLES, tables, total vegetables, KEEP, keep us, HEALTHY, healthy, THEY, they, prevent, VENT, total prevent, they prevent us, FROM, from, fall, 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 ING, in, falling, SICK, sick. Okay, we, NEED, need, to, EAT, eat, SOME, some, of, THESC, these, food, ITEMS, items, EVERY, every, and DAY, day. These prevent us from falling sick. Next, RAW, raw, and COOK, cook, id, cooked, FOOD, food, FRUITS, fruits, and FEW, few, vegetables, SUCH, such, as, PAS, peas, CU, cum, cum, BR, if you combine, cucumber, okay, peas, cucumber, dish, 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 beet, 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 root, 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 beetroot, and CARROT, carrot, can, BEB, eaten, 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 raw, RAW, MEAT, meat, EGGS, eggs, DAL, dal, RICE, rice, and most, most vegetables are cooked. Okay. We, HAVE, have, THRE, 3, MEALS, meals in a day, DAY, day. BREAK, break, FAST, fast, breakfast, in the, MOR, more, NING, morning, LUNCH, lunch, in the, AFTR, after, NOON, noon, afternoon, DINNER, dinner, at NIGHT, night. So we have 3 meals in a day: breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. A balanced diet. Bear, LAN, CDs. The balanced diet, DIET. The KIND, kind of food we eat is called a diet. WHEN, when, we eat, BODY, body, BUILD, build, ING, building, FOOD, food, ENERGY, energy, GIV, give, ING, giving, FOOD, food, and PRO, TEC, tech, TIVE, protective, FOOD, food, in the, RIGHT, right, AMOUNT, amount, It is called a balanced diet. SUCH. Such a diet, KEEPS, keeps us fit and HEALTHY, healthy. Okay, a balanced diet. The kind of food we eat is called a diet. When we eat bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food in the right amount, it is called a balanced diet. Such a diet keeps us fit and healthy. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. Next, the picture of the balanced diet. Next, HEALTHY, healthy, EATING, eating, healthy, eating, HABITS, bits, habits, healthy eating habits, WASH, wash, YOUR, your, HANDS, hands, wash your hands, AND, and MOUTH, mouth, BEBFORE, for, before, and AFTR, after, EVERY, every, MEAL, meal. Okay, HAVE, have, your, meals, at, FIXED, fixed, TIME, time, EVERY, every, DAY, day. Have your meals at a fixed time every day. What is your first point? Wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. NEVER, never. SKIP, skip. YOUR, your. BREAK, break. FAST, fast. Never skip your breakfast. EAT, eat. A BALANCED, balanced. DIET, diet, eat a balanced diet. JUNK, junk. FOOD, food. is. NOT, not. GOOD, good. FOR, for. HEALTH, health. Junk food is not good for health. EAT, eat. ONLY, only. FRESH, fresh. AND, and CLEAN, clean. FOOD, food. Eat only fresh and clean food. NEVER, never. WASTE, waste. FOOD, food. TAKE, take. ONLY, only. as. MUCH, much. as. YOUCAN, can. EAT, eat. Okay, never waste food. Take only as much as you can eat. DRINK, drink. CLEAN, clean. WATER, water, drink clean water. BOIL, boil. or. FILTER, filter. it. BEFORE, before. DRINK, drink. ing, drinking. Drink clean water. Boil or filter it before drinking. BRUSH, brush. YOUR, your. TEETH, teeth. In the. MORNING, morning. And at. NIGHT, night. BRUSH, brush. ing, brushing. HELPS, health. To. CLEAN, clean. THE, the. BITS, bits. Of. Foot. STUCK, stuck. BETWEEN, between. OUR, our. TEETH, teeth. Okay, brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Brushing helps to clean the bits of food stuck between our teeth. Next is QUICK, quick. RE, read. CAP, cap, recap, quick recap. WHEN, when we are HUNGRY, hungry, we eat food. When we are hungry, we eat food. FOOD, food. MAKES, makes us. GROW, grow. Food makes us grow. GIVES, gives you us. ENERGY, energy. Okay, food also gives us energy. AND, and MAKES, makes us. STRONG, strong. Food makes us grow. Next, gives us energy and makes us strong. BODY, body. BUILDING, building. FOOD, food. MAKES, makes. Our BONES, bones. And MUSCLES, muscles. STRONG, strong. Body building, food makes our bones and muscles strong. ENERGY, energy. GIVING, giving. Food. GIVES, gives us. ENERGY, energy. To WORK, work. And PLAY, play. Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. PRO, pro. TEC, TECT, IVE, protective. FOOD, food. PRE, pre. VENTS, prevents. VNTS, vents. Combining both, prevents. US, us. FROM, from. FALLING, falling. SICK, sick. Protective food prevents us from falling sick. WEV, MUST, must. EAT, eat. A bear, bear. LAN, lanced. CED, balanced. DIET, diet. We must eat a balanced diet. WEV, MUST, must. HAVE, have. HEALTHY, healthy. EATING, eating. HABITS, habits. We must have healthy eating habits. Before ending the session, let me tell you a small story of why we should not waste food. Okay, let us begin the story. Once in a village, there was a woman. What she used to do at night, the food which she cooked in the morning, which is left over, she used to go to the nearest dustbin and throw it in it. And a girl beside that dustbin, she used to take the food and eat it. Daily this is happening, and one day the woman asked that girl, why are you eating this food? If you want, you can take while I am taking, before throwing in the dustbin, but you are taking it after I throw in the dustbin. Then the girl replied, no, when I am alive, I used to throw the food, waste the food. So God gave me punishment to eat the food that was thrown in the dustbin. So I am taking this food and eating it daily. So be careful, children, don't waste your food. It is very precious. Otherwise God will punish us. Okay, and with this I am ending today's online session. Hari Om. Thank you.